Backed by popular demand, the Phoenix Symphony and Barrett-Jackson team up to present The Sound of Speed 2. Join us on 3rd Street for a pit road experience as Barrett-Jackson presents a one-of-a-kind collection of rare and collector cars complete with food trucks and entertainment. The party then moves inside Symphony Hall for a unique concert experience with multimedia video and musical tributes celebrating the collision of cars, racing, and music. One night only, October 24th. Tickets at phoenixsymphony.org.